Okay, right. Now in question F, they say that if Q is the x-intercept of AB, so we're gonna put Q there first, right? And that is gonna be Q. Then they say that determine the equation of the line that is parallel to CD and passing through Q. Now the first thing that I need you to know from theory is that parallel lines have the same gradient, right? Parallel lines have the same gradient. Okay, now if CD, now seeing that parallel lines have the same gradient, now the gradient of line CD, it's actually equals to 3. Therefore gradient gradient of line passing through Q is also going to be M equals to 3. Alright, because parallel lines have the same gradient. And now another thing that we are told in the question, we are told that Q is the x-intercept of P. So Q is the x-intercept of AB. Therefore let y equals to 0. Now if we let y, now equation AB, now in equation if we let y equals to 0, so it's going to be 0 equals to negative 2x plus 3. If we take 3 to the other side, it will be negative 2x equals to negative 3. Then we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. Right, dividing both sides by negative 2, and then our x is basically just going to be 3 over 2, and then that means that Q is basically 3 over 2 comma 0. Right, now we have the gradient being 3 and we have the coordinate being 3 over 2 comma 0. Now to calculate the equation of that line passing through Q, there's two ways for you to do it, but I'm gonna do the most efficient one. That is gonna actually give you the equation straightforward. Now that formula that we use to find the equation of a straight line, we say y1 minus y equals to mx, sorry about that, it's gonna be y minus, it's y minus y1 equals to m open bracket x minus x1. Right, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna substitute m equals to 3 and q 3 over 2 comma 0. Now if we do this, it's going to be y minus 0 equals to, now the gradient is 3, then it's x minus 3 over let me just write, so it's x minus 3 over 2, so it will be y 3x minus that will be 3 times, so that will be 9 over 2. So this should be the answer for the equation of the line that is parallel to CD and passing through Q. Okay.